Hey guys! What the am I doing with my hands? I'm a bird. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So it's actually like 1 o'clock and I have an event at 4 and then I have an event at 8. So I've got to have this makeup long lasting. And I got bangs and I just blow wave them and they're doing a bit of a zhuzh moment here. So this is going to be just, yeah, get ready with me. I haven't done one. Everyone's messaging me, what are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? I'm like, I've already got 2 things to do. Oh my god, Miss Popular. No, I'm kidding. If you want to keep watching and see me glow up, then please keep watching. Primer, this is the best primer you can get, I reckon. I've tried so many. And this BECCA Shimmering Perfector. I think this one is in Champagne Pop. I like to use this under my base. So I'm gonna put a bit of primer on. So how's everyone been? So I'm just going to put this thingy on. Okay, she's running low. Did you see that? It freaking went. It's Virgo season, everyone. So everyone I freaking know is a Virgo. Look how glowy I look. I look amazing. I'm literally just free balling this. Is that the word to use? Free balling? It is now. I'm just gonna put my foundation on. I actually put in a lot of effort this week to get ready for these events. Like I put fake tan on. I hardly ever put fake tan on. I waxed my eyebrows. I haven't waxed my eyebrows in like months. I painted my nails, but the thing is, when I paint my nails, I forget that I painted them, and then I go and do it, and then, you know, you get me. It just, I don't know, they just squish, and oh, now I've got to redo them because I forgot that I had them on, and now I've got to redo them because they look gross. Just gonna do a bit on my forehead. My forehead is always the first place that leaves. It's like, see ya, I wanna be ya. I'm gonna do my contour. So I'm just gonna do, okay, so I saw this TikTok and this girl did like in the nose area here, the eye area here, and she did it above her thing. So I'm gonna try that. Blendy time. The next door neighbour's dog's out the front and I'm waiting for Wally to absolutely crack it. I'm going to use a bit of my Hourglass concealer as well. I'm just going to put this here and then blend that in. And then I'm going to go in with my chiffon shade. And this, no, well, stop. To party. Trust me, I look scary now, but wait, it all comes together at the end. I'm gonna go in and powder now. So I'm gonna use my translucent Hourglass powder. I love this because it's not like really drying. So I'm just gonna push this into my skin. That's done. I'm gonna go in with my Fresh and Flawless by Australis. This is like amazing. You get it from Priceline. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and that shade, and I'm just going to go over just like what we just did then. I'm going to go in with my chocolate Too Faced. This is like really good for contouring. Dad and his big hoofers. So I'm just going to go in and his loud mouth. If you can hear that in the background, I'm so sorry. So I'm just going to go on my contour. Oh, I think I might do a bit of my favourite, my Global Glow by MAC. I'm just going to use that fluffy brush and just go over that area. Down my nose as well, forehead. intensify the contour a bit more. I know you're probably thinking like, what the hell, what are you on about? Your contour is fine. I'm just going to use the Tom Ford a little bit on the same chisel brush. Seriously, Tom Ford is the bomb. Their perfumes, especially Oud Wood, I bought my mum that. I'm actually currently talking about perfumes now. I bought this for my birthday. Cost me an arm and a leg, but I tell you what, I smell rich and I smell divine. Like, I can't, like, oh my god. I'm definitely going to get the one that I bought mum for myself as well, because that one is amazing. But I like, really like sultry, like woody smells, like that's got sandalwood in it. So good. Next step, I'm going to use a bit of blush. I'm going to use a bit of the MAC. And I'm going to go in with another brush. I think I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It's still a little bit wet, but who cares? We're just going to go over top of that cheek. I'm going to do a bit over my nose. I'm just going to put that all over. So the KKW Mario palette and the Soft Glam palette. So I like to use the shade, this shade here called Miami. And what I like to do is pretty much start from the outer corner, and then I like to go into the inner corner and blend it with my nose contour. So, and I also like to like fluff it out on the sides. Go in with that white shade, and I'm just going to push that on my lid. It's just like a really matte white shade. I go in with Cypress, this darker brown in this Anastasia palette. Start on the outer corner of my lash line, and I'm going to kind of make a wing out of that brown. Excuse me one second while I go punch my brother in the head. So now that I've done that kind of like smoky look, I went in with that angled liner and just did the inner corner with that brown. So now I'm going to go in with that same brush that we used with the orange shade. I'm going to go in with Rustic from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to go kind of where the darker brown is, and I'm just going to blend those two shades together on the outer corner. Underneath, I'm going to do kind of similar, but I'm going to use this kind of shaded brush, and I'm going to go in with that orange from the Mario palette, and I'm just going to go underneath. I'm going to take it all the way to the inner corner. That darker brown, the Cypress, and I'm just going to go underneath my lash line and really like push it down. It gives it more pigment. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to go in with that orange shade again, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to smoke those shades together. Now I'm going to get a brown pencil. That's my tip. These things fall out. I'm never buying these again. Can someone please recommend me like good eye pencils, because I like these, but it's just like, I don't know, they fall out. So I'm just going to put this in my waterline. A Anastasia cream black liner. So I'm just going to start from the outer corner. Do that. I think this one will be dry. I'm going to go in with that Cypress with it's like a smudgy brush. And I'm just going to go over that wing. I'm just going to pat first. So many distractions. And I'm just going to blend it on top of that wing. I'm going to go in with a powder. So I'm going to go in with this Hourglass. And I'm just going to get my beauty blender. And just make a sharp line there. I'll let that sit for a bit. We'll do my lashes. So I ordered some stuff off TATTI lashes, and one of my favorite YouTubers just bring out her lash line, Genevieve, the Scottish YouTuber. I love their accent, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna use these ones. They are so fluffy. These are the Jamie 2s. Look how nice they are. I bought this the other day. It's the MANNEQUIN curling mascara. I used the volume one, which has really good reviews, but I wanted to use the curling one just cause. I love MANNEQUIN mascaras. They are the best. So I'm just gonna put that on. Okay, so I just stuck my lashes on. Now I think I might put a bit of this Hourglass powder underneath my eyes, just to freshen it up a bit. This makes me look less matte. I'm going to use the Dior Quad, and I'm going to use that pinky shade there. My bridge of my nose, tops of my cheeks. With this KKW lip 2.5, it's brown. So I'm going to go over I might go in with this Nude 3.5. It's like a satin finish. I might go in with like a lighter colour in the middle. I was actually thinking of using Mannequin by Jeffree Star in the middle. And now I'm going to set the face. I'm going to use my Morphe, this is a matte finish one, and I'm going to go over with the Fix Plus. So I'm just going to spray that. My Fix Plus. And I'm going to go do my hair and then get dressed, and then I'll come back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Yes, I'll probably do more get ready with me's when I have more events on. If I get invited to things, no one wants me. Thank you so much if you've watched up to here. Thank you, I appreciate you. Come subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And don't forget to come and follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat and my TikTok, because I love TikTok. So yeah, I'm gonna go get drunk now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.